Hi, this is Finn here from Selenium.io. I'm going to do here a quick introduction to the Selenium receiver. What I hear on the left side is the purchase orders to receive, and I got 3 order lines here, 3 purchase orders, and they are 1 line each. On the right side here, I have the web version of the receiver application. First time when you open it up, you're just going to get the About page. You can set the version you want to use, which in this case I'm going to leave as the default one. Leave it 1,000 maximum rows to download from the grid. So I only need to specify the URL for the AS server. And remember to put in the ended with the /. Then I click on the configure, and that was successful, so I can sign in. And this is just your standard JDE authentication. Since this is the first time, I need to do a little bit of configuration of how I want the data to be displayed. So the app is now fetching the grid data, and it shows it to me like this. So here you can see the data shown here is essentially just the grid columns. And first I need to select how do I want to group the PO lines. I'm just going to use the browse plant to group it. The primary display is what I'm going to use for that one is the open quantity in the measure and description. And then what do I need for detail? I'm going to pick a few fields that could be useful. I want you to skip the foreign stuff, description, account, plant, and the dates. And this is what I've selected, and I just need to confirm that one. And now I can do a little bit of adjustment. I can change the sequence. So for example, I want the unit measure to be before the open quantity. And for the detail information, I can also change the description. So I can call this type, for example, and this is the number. When I'm happy with how I want it to be displayed, I just confirm. And you can see here, this is the little busy icon here. Now it goes back to the AI server to pick up the open PO lines. So what you see here now is that the grouping is by browse plant, which in this case is 200, and then it shows me unit to measure, open quantity, and description. So that's the open quantity and description. If I click on any one of these lines, I get to see the details. So here is the detail I selected. And you can see that the caption here is number and type, because that's what I changed it to. Okay, so this is the first day of Larry, and let's say that he just put in 6 hours. Curly, he is the lazy one, so he was only 5 hours. And Mo is the hardworking one, and he was in for 10 hours. So you can see that the open quantity hasn't changed, even though I've added receipted some quantity. And if I go back in here, it shows me that I got one receivable here. That's the one I just added, and I can actually slide that and delete if I want. The fact is that the nothing has happened on JDE yet. This is all just happening in the web app or the mobile app if you do it through a mobile app. If I have a look at the menu here, you can see that there are 3 orders that are waiting to be uploaded. If I click on that, what it does now is that it goes and just double checks that these order lines can't be uploaded, and that looks fine. So let's just confirm that, and it goes there again to upload it. And there's nothing to upload, so if we check what's remaining here, so we've got 172, 182, 182, do I find... And you can see that the open quantity is reduced. If I go back to here to the order list, I can see that the open quantity is still the same here, and that's because I'm still working with the PL lines that I downloaded before. If I go into any one of these, you can see that the open quantity is still here 172, but remaining quantity is 166, which fits with open quantity 166 here. And it shows me here that I've received 6 units, and the tick mark here means that it's been uploaded. So if I slide that to the right, the delete button is disabled. Now if I go back and select to download orders, and the little dots here go on working. And downloaded successfully, and you can see that the lines here have been updated with what matches with the open quantity, and also what happens here is that the received quantity is actually done. So that's it for how you do a simple receiving with the Selin receiver. Thank you.